Xiangcan Electronic Co. Ltd. Interlocking Filling System. Home safety is the most important thing. Many families need to use LPG system effort. The use of unqualified gas cylinders can cause major accidents. Traditional gas filling stations are chaotic and lack of effective means to identify whether the gas cylinders are qualified or not.
If this problem is not solved, how could we talk about security?
Xiangcan Electronic invented an interlocking filling system to eliminate the problem of unsafe filling of unqualified gas cylinder at the filling station. According to a series of filling rules formulated by the government, the cylinders are marked with a QR code, and files are created for the cylinders using the mobile app. Take pictures and upload the barcode text, inspection marks, and cylinder numbers of gas cylinders respectively.
Use Xiangcan Automatic Interlocking LPG Filling Scale. The explosion-proof solenoid valve. An explosion-proof power supply to improve safety. Scale scanner for scanning and identifying. And wireless module to transmit data. Clamp the filling gun at the valve of the cylinder. Unscrew the valve. Scan the barcode of the cylinder and read the information. The scale screen will immediately show whether the cylinder is qualified and transfer the cylinder information to the computer. All unqualified cylinders cannot be filled, keeping the danger away. The information received by the computer is qualified gas cylinder, and the filling scale can quantitative fill automatically stop when the weight is reached. After filling, you can open the mobile app, scan the QR code to get the information about the cylinder. All the information is clear at a glance. The filling data is transmitted by the wireless module, and all the information is finally collected on the cloud platform. The cloud platform system makes comprehensive use of big data analysis and contains a large amount of traceable information internally, which is convenient for supervision, real-time upload of data, and easy tracking.
This system is really good. And I won't have to worry about the safety of filling gas cylinders anymore.